Hey kids, JD here. Today, we're trying something called Swedish stew. As far as I can tell, it's kind of like what would happen if you tried to make Swedish meatballs, but instead of making meatballs, you put stew meat in. Make sure you stay till the end of the video, because I literally have no idea how this is going to turn out. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's go. Alright, ingredient list is below. Brown beef in heavy pan. Pour off fat. Add soup, allspice, thyme, salt, and pepper. Now I debated using onion soup, the dry mix, or doing like the recipe says and using the can. That's when I realized this is the 70s and can was probably part of the flavor. So definitely 100% I use the can, but you do what you want to do. I don't know how your results are going to be without the taste of tin, but maybe they'll be okay. Let me know below. Cover and cook over low heat for 2 hours. It took maybe an hour for mine. Add Brussels sprouts and cook for 20 additional minutes. Add water to flour until smooth, then stir into sauce. Cook and stir until thickened. Stir in sour cream. Heat through. Serve over noodles. It's all ready to go. Let's give it a shot, see how it turned out. You can see we're done. Got some noodles on the bottom. The stew is there. Let's see what happens. Now the part that troubles me are the Brussels sprouts. I don't know that they actually cooked all the way through. We have to find out. Flavors are good. Again, I would like stronger flavors. There's nothing wrong with it. I might just personally put a little more in. Maybe double the amount. Because if it can take a half teaspoon, it can probably take a full teaspoon without losing anything. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, you're not going to like it anymore. And the Brussels sprouts are not adding to the sauce or anything. So I might just skip that and cook those separately. Now, real biker food? Actually, since you can cook it all in one pot, theoretically. But again, you have to go to a store, have to get a bunch of ingredients, you have to use them that day. Obviously, good if you're camping, good if you're going to be somewhere for a few days, but if you're just a solo rider on the road, maybe. Then you have to do something to have it keep, because there's quite a bit of food there. You're not necessarily going to eat all that in one sitting. What you can do in this sitting is go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Social media, links are below. Leave a like if you like this video. If you don't like it, show me exactly how much you hate it by hitting that dislike button twice. That's twice the hate. I'm JD. I'm out.